Carlo Biado is a Filipino professional pool player known as the Black Tiger. Biado is a multiple world champion, becoming the first ever Filipino player to win World 9-Ball Championship twice and the World 10-Ball Championship in 2024. Biado has roots in Rosario, La Union, 1-2 and or Nueva, Ecija. He started playing pool when he was age 13 and worked as a caddie at the Villamor Air Base golf course while he was still a student. After work, he would play billiards in the evening. He stopped pursuing high school education when he was on his first year, and the sport serves as a means of livelihood. He earned money from bets in the billiards place he helps manage. In 2025, Biado dethroned world number 1 and defending champion Feder Gorst of USA with a 15-13 final victory to become the only Filipino player to win the World 9-Ball Championship twice. In October 18, 2024, Carlo Biado and his teammates won the inaugural Race Cup held at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium in Manila, Philippines. He, along with Johan Chua, Aloysius Yap, Durong Kuok Wang, and Ko Pin E, made up the Ecija, coached by one of the most accomplished players in pool and tournament namesake, Efren Reyes. Biado won the inaugural Ho Chi Minh City Open Championship in Ho Xuan Wang Gymnasium, Vietnam in September 29, 2024, defeating Mario He of Austria 13-8 and took home in prize money. In 2024, Biado snapped his first World 9-Ball Tour ranking event title of the year after taking down young star Barney Regalario 13-7 to win the second Universal Chinese Taipei Open in an all-Filipino final championship match held at the Hall's Billiard Hall in Taipei City, Taiwan. Despite losing his first match, Biado clawed his way back from the losers bracket to go 8-1 in the 96-player field tournament. In 2022, the trio of Johan Chua, Carlo Biado and Rubelian Amit emerged triumphant in the 2022 WPA World Teams Championship after sweeping Great Britain's Jason Shaw, Kelly Fisher and Darren Appleton 3-0 in the final in Klagenfurt, Austria. In 2021, Biado defeated Aloysius Yap 13-8 to win the US Open Pool Championship. With the win, Biado became one of the few Filipino players to win the tournament along with Alex Pagulayan and Efren Reyes. Also in 2021, Biado defeated fellow Filipino Johan Chua 9-3 to win the men's 10-ball singles gold medal in the 31st Southeast Asian Games at the Ha Dong District's Sporting Hall in Vietnam. This is his third gold in the SEA Games on top of his 3 silver and 2 bronze medals. Biado reached the final of the 2019 WPA Players Championship, losing to Kevin Cheng 12-11. A month later, Biado and D. Luna booked a spot in the final of 2019 World Cup of Pool by beating the Netherlands duo of Niels Fagen and Mark Westerbosch 9-6 in the semi-final, but eventually fell short in the finals against Austria, yielding an 11-3 decision. In 2017, Biado defeated Jason Shaw of the UK 11-7 to win the men's 9-ball event of the 2017 World Games. Also in 2017, Biado defeated countryman Roland Garcia 13-5 to win the 2017 WPA World 9-Ball Championship. The following year, Biado would also reach the final of the 2018 event, however would lose 10-13 to Joshua Filler.